Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track hours with QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online. This feature makes it easy to log work hours for yourself or your team members, and you can even mark entries as billable for invoicing clients directly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a tab labeled Time. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down or main area that appears, select Time Entries. This is where all your time tracking happens, and it's your central hub for managing hours worked across projects and team members. Once you're on the Time Entries page, you'll notice a button that says Plus New or Add Time. Click on this button to manually enter a new time entry. This opens up a form where you can input all the details for the hours you want to track. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the team member for whom you're entering time. This could be yourself or one of your employees. Once you've selected the person, you'll see options for how to track time. You can either use the time in out method or duration. For this example, let's go with the time in out method, which allows you to enter specific start and end times. Next, select the date or date range when the work was performed. Then enter the start and end times for the work session. If the person is currently working, you also have the option to check a checkbox that marks the status as currently working. This is helpful for real-time tracking. Now, choose the customer or project associated with the work. This step is important because it ties the hours to a specific client or job. You'll also be able to add a service item, which helps categorize the type of work being done. If this time should be billed to the customer, make sure to check the billable box. This flags the entry for invoicing later, saving you time when you're ready to bill your clients. You can also add notes or a class description about the work performed if you want more detail. This part is optional but can be useful for future reference. Once everything is filled out, click Save to record the time entry. Your entry is now logged and ready to be included in reports or invoices. To review and manage all your time entries, simply return to the Time tab and select Time Entries again. From here, you can view all logged hours, make edits, approve entries, or pull reports as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.